Hello everybody, welcome to our Shumatt's live channel. I'm Caitlin. Today the product we'd like to show you is our fuel injector, as you can see. And now please follow me, let's check the details for you. And firstly, the outside package is the white nodule box, and here this is the label. The product code is 0445120-348, support customized service. Inside packages with two layers. The first layer is the bubble bag, can be better prevent some damages during the transportation. And the second layer is the VCI anti-rust bags. That's the inside fuel injector. Firstly, each spare parts we already use protection cover to protect it. And this is the solenoid valve here with the product code, and one side is QR code printed on this position. And here, this is the oil inlet. Look carefully, inside is the triangle valve. And then next part is the oil outlet with small apertures here. Last part is the inject nozzle. Here on the surface print with the product code. For the spare parts, generally we use the By the Schumatt, green power, etc. If you want hair quality, we can use our original Bosch brand. Okay, alright, thank you for staying with me. Let's see you next time.